Welcome to Soul Euphoric, tools for relaxation, meditation, and creation. Resources to awaken access to levels of well-being. This practice of labeling and anchoring is to help strengthen your command of your focus. It's a practice to help you to develop new neural pathways and habits so that you have more focus and move away from dwelling in thoughts and feelings that cause negative emotional states. During this practice, you're going to breathe through your nose the entire time, both the inhale and the exhale. And remember, it's normal to think all the time. Thoughts will keep coming. And the practice is each and every time you take a breath, label the breath. That's your anchor. And when you find that your thoughts have drifted off, notice it, label it, and then anchor with the breath. Sit back and relax. Take 2 deep breaths in through your nose and exhale through the nose. And when you're ready, close your eyes. What are the thoughts that are bringing your attention to in your mind? Label them and go back to the breath. What are the thoughts that have your attention in this moment? Label and gently return to your breath. Notice inhaling and exhaling. Let go of any thoughts you're having right now. Label and return to the breath. Notice the thoughts you're having at this moment. Label and anchor with your breath. What thoughts are you having in this moment? Label and return to the breath. Where are your thoughts? Label, return to the breath. That was great. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification button, and leave a comment if you wish.